Hey guys, I have received this welcome kit from Accenture because recently I have joined in Accenture and I left my previous organization TCS. So let's unbox this and see what's inside this. So I can see a box, white color, it's here. It's too heavy. Let's open this. So here is a water bottle inside it. It's too heavy but it looks very good, and here you can see a logo in this bottle. So let's open the bottle and check what is inside this. Okay, so there is one strainer. So I don't know what is the purpose of it inside this bottle. Okay, let me close this. And also I can see a pen. So here I think this pen have also the Accenture logo. Let me open this one also. It's a normal pen, I think, same color as the bottle. And also there is one welcome Accenture card. It's written something for joining in Accenture, and two notepad I can see. There is one is the purple color and another one is in white color. This is a very thin notepad and very simple also. This has only the Accenture logo printed in the notepad. So that's all about this welcome kit. Hope you like this video, and let me pack this box as it was. Bye.